Good evening to everyone. Today I'm very happy. I'm so satisfied today because our dynamic leader, respectable Sri Dipen Boro, that he joined in the UPPL party today in Udalguri district. Today I have been seen so many crowd of people in around the field to support UPPL party and to welcome our dynamic leader Sri Dipen Boro sir. So, according to my knowledge, there have been four constituency in Udalguri district. Three constituency of Udalguri district have been confirmed that it will win upcoming legislative assembly election of 2026 for the UPPL party. This is a great information to all. Enjoy, full enjoy. Because BPF party has a scar to see that crowd of the pupil in Udalguri district today. If this video is knowledgeable for you, please you share to your friends. Thank you so much.